Right, today we're going to bring an actual large 34-ounce glass. Now, I put this on the fridge. Look at this. The entire thing is frozen, perfect for your alcohol, your drinks, your sodas, your waters, anything. So we're going to set it up today. We're actually going to make a drink out of it with it and test it out, see how well it works. Bottoms up. It's a spot. It's a spot. The cup is wonderful. 34. Well, 34 ounces, it's almost like 2 cans of Coca-Cola will fit in here perfectly. I just made myself a great drink. You can make any drink you want. So what's going to happen, I'm going to wash it, put it back in the freezer, and then use it for any other drinks. So if you're going to make yourself some drinks, or maybe keep it nice and cold because summer's here, and even for winter. So you can enjoy all year round. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.